Hey guys, welcome to MS Online Academy. My name is Murugesh, and in this video we are going to be discuss about the weekly market update. Okay, there are a lot of stocks which are making all-time high. In that we have tracking DLF, solar industry, and other stocks also. So let's discuss about those momentum stocks and the market view. And let me share my screen so we can go through world market, Indian market, sector views, and sectorial stocks and momentum stocks also. So first of all, the clear disclaimer is the content whatever we are sharing here, it is for the educational purpose only. Okay, second point, if you are watching this from the YouTube, then definitely you can reach out to us for learning more about this, the ultimate trader. Okay, let's begin with how to select a good stock to buy or sell. Okay, we call this as a top-down approach. If you are a part of the ultimate trader, then definitely you know about this one. If you are a stage 1 and stage 2 you are learning now, then you are new to this one. Okay, so top-down approach is nothing but you are just analyzing the world market first, Indian market later, and sectorial view and sectorial stock we are reviewing. See, any stock which we need to be buy with a high probability. So for that purpose we are doing this particular exercise every week. Entire community or the training people, they are doing this top down approach to select the best stock, momentum stock. Okay, the major purpose of this particular entire training is to find out the best momentum stock. That was the major purpose. Okay, and how to find the value buying area of a good stock, momentum buying of a good stock. Okay, for the FNO purpose, which kind of stocks we have to follow and catch the opportunities. That is the major purpose of this entire course. Okay, so this is the statistics of a current Indian market and the world market also. So in world market you can see that there are some in the US markets are above 16 monthly. They are between 14 and 16 the weekly. Last week it was a bearish kind of a momentum in the US market. So similarly in our Indian market also, last week it is a pause kind of thing. Last week it was a bullish trend and taking one more pause, and it is a very good sign for the bullish upcoming days. Okay, because to break any of the best area, for example 25,000 is the best area of a resistance or a round number. To break that one we have to be wait, pause, and breakout. Okay, it should not be a breakout like a rocket. It should be whenever there is a resistance, there is a round number, there should be a pause or a sideway for a few days. After that, if it is a breaking out from that particular area, then it's the best breakout. That is a sustainable breakout, you can say. So it's a best week for the upcoming bulls to be sustain and travel. Okay, this is what my view. Overall Indian market in a bull sign, you can see this Nifty, it is weekly and monthly it is above 60, and daily also trying to be cross the 60. That means it's coming into the in all the time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly, it is going to be a cross 60 uptrend, strong uptrend. Okay, so if you are a part of our the ultimate trader, then you know that what is the range shift, what is the strong uptrend, what is the sideway, and what is the weak uptrend and downtrend. So currently we are in the stage where we are crossing from uptrend to strong uptrend. Okay, as per the data we are very bullish with respect to the Indian market. First let's see US market charts, what exactly how the things are showing here. Here with respect to US Dow Jones, you can see here US Dow Jones 49, 48, 52, 56. Similar things are there here. That means it is in a sideway. Nasdaq, okay, it's above 60 in a monthly. Okay, but in weekly and weekly it is not yet crossed. It is very difficult actually. Okay, until it is crossing higher all-time high, it is very difficult to be cross the weekly 60 range. And with respect to S&P 60, similar to the Nasdaq. With respect to DAX, it's a advanced DWM kind of thing with a CIP also, you can see here. So it's a bullish market. German market. Nikkei, Japan. You can see this is a sideways market, and Kospi Korea, it is in a sideways market. With respect to gift Nifty, okay, you can see here this is similar to the Indian market, but it is weaker than the Indian market because the Indian market is trying to cross the 60 in the daily and above 60 in the weekly and monthly. So the best thing what we can observe here, if it is take a range shift from the middle band, then that is the best thing. Okay, so here you can see that it is trying to cross Indian Nifty. Okay, Nifty for our indices, like it is crossing 61 and 65 in monthly and weekly, and in daily also above 60. Okay, so that means it's in a pure uptrend, and you know that one, it's a walk on the band in weekly for Nifty, but it is making a inside candle currently. But let's see that how it is going to be a react based on the upcoming days. That is important. Let's as a TUT students, I just recommend you to be observe these points actually. What are the we have the five pillars of technical analysis. Price, what it is doing currently. In daily, it is higher high. Okay, candlesticks are making a higher high and with a healthy candles in, and this is a healthy candle, this is a healthy candle. Okay, and weekly when we see the higher, it is a healthy candles. This is a price action. Okay, this is a Nifty indices, and then we don't have a volume, but patterns are the very clear. It is a, if you see the pattern, it is clear breakout here, pattern trend line breakout. Okay, near and here W pattern breakout. So I mean to say that we are following the five pillars of the technical analysis topics. That's the foundation what we are studying. You just need to be follow price, pattern, volume, momentum, and volatility. Momentum, it's a previously above 16 all the time frame. Volatility, it is a walk on the band in the weekly. See, very clear. All the five pillars, if you know, it is very easy for you to be identify the patterns, identify the momentum, identify the volatility, everything. So again, I emphasize here to be go back and watch those 9 videos of a foundation. And let's start with the other topics. Sensex, similar to the Nifty Bank. Okay, it's a very best point that I can see this is a range shift. It's a very positive point for the finance and the banking sector, that is trading above the resistance. First of all, second one, range shift in the weekly time frame above 60 in the monthly, and we can draw here one trend line like this. And if it is breakout from this particular resistance like 54 or 55,000, then there is a huge momentum in upcoming days. Okay, Nifty Finance, similar to the Nifty Bank, it's a very good opportunity for the financial stocks. These are the financial stocks currently which are there in the Nifty Finance sector. Sectorial performance. Okay, you can observe here RSI. Okay, which are the best stocks, best sectors we can use for the bullish and bearish. Okay, if you are a old student, then you know that how to read this one, but for the new people, just let me explain once again. We are reading this particular statistic based on the RSI. If RSI above 16 monthly, weekly, and daily, that means that is a bullish, that is a uptrend, strong uptrend, we can say. But if it is a uptrend in monthly and weekly and not in the daily, then that is a okay uptrend, but we have to be wait for the confirmation in daily time frame. But now what the situation like infra in last week, it was above 60 in weekly and monthly also. This week it is somewhat sideways. You can see here it is 59, last week it is a 60. There is a possibility to be take rejection also from this particular area, but let's wait and watch. Apart from that, already we know that finance sector is the best one, all 60, above all 60 in RSI. So this is the first priority, first sector which we can which we are tracking from last few months. Okay, and second sector we choose last week, that is the infra, but it is taking resistance. It is yet to be confirmed. Okay, it's 0.05 is not a big, it's not a decline, but we have to observe that one. Apart from that, we can see here, okay, some of the other sectors making some momentum, like reality above 60, but it is not above 60 in the monthly. It's okay. But with respect to other sectors like PSU Bank, they are trying, okay. But as per my view currently, okay, only again infra, okay, PSU and auto stocks, auto sectors. This week it is silent, but definitely auto and metal are the upcoming sectors. Okay, because auto already above 60 in the monthly, it is trying to cross 60. You can see here, here it is at the resistance of 60. Let's see that how it is going to behave, but there will be some resistance whenever it is crossing the 60. Okay, so just wait for the momentum for the infra, auto and metal, in fact reality also. Okay, let's see that if it is a going to perform these sectors, then we can definitely take opportunity with these sectors. Nifty energy, no sideway. I mean, here nothing is there here to be observed, like weekly and monthly it is a sideway. Infra, as we discussed, above 60, trying to 60 cross infra. That's why this is the second best sectors which we can be track and trade. PSC, this is the problem, like if it is cross weekly also above 60, then we can definitely, but in monthly definitely there is a best opportunity over here. Okay, you can see here, this is the best area for the value buying actually. Above 60, middle band support, the stocks which are doing great in the PSC sector, then we can start value buying area kind of thing. Auto, as I said, that it is taking a support from the middle band. Okay, and here you can see this is the best area for the value buying above 60, but only concern is that whether it is going to be cross 60 or not in this week. Let's see that. Okay, auto and pharma it is in a sideway. Let's see that. PSU Bank sideway. Nifty reality, reality is making a higher high as per the pattern and double pattern in the weekly. That's the best thing, but just wait for crossing middle band in monthly actually. No trades in metal, but only concern for me, it is a big W pattern in the weekly. You can see here, if it is cross this W pattern, then there is a best opportunity in coming days. So we have to be, I hope you understand this pattern. Okay, metal, we done IT sideway or a bearish. Okay, why bearish? It is rejecting from the middle band in the monthly. Okay, and in the middle band from the weekly also. Okay, when and there we got the sell opportunity in the IT stocks, we can buy that one. FMCG trying for a upward move, but there is a good resistance over here in the monthly time frame. You can see here. Okay, media sideway, consumer durable, yes, this is also in sideway. Trading and tracking stocks, we have a few of the stocks which we are tracking from for a few weeks, and those are giving a very good result. First one is a Divis Lab. Okay, you look at this, whenever it is give a strong breakout, there will be a best momentum. Okay, so you have to be keep alert here. So by the way, I am the authorized person for the Fyers trading platform. I have shared with you in the description. I have shared the link to be open the account. If you open, you will be a part of our community, and you will get a lot of bonuses and training videos, okay, training content actually. Just let us know, and if you open and if you just discuss with us, you will get the best bonuses actually. And if you are already part of our TUT program, and it's compulsory for you to be open the account, okay, because there are a lot of opportunities, there are a lot of usages from the Fyers account. Okay, let's see that. This is a Divis Lab. Bharti Divis Lab, look at monthly and weekly it is above 60. Okay, daily it might be taking a opportunity and taking about that, it's the best trade actually. Okay, just keep alert at 6300 range, and you can, let's see that how we can get the opportunity there. Bharti Airtel, it's a best trade actually, best opportunity currently. It is a taking support at 9 EMA and gap everything actually. Bajaj Finserv, we have to wait. There is a resistance. The resistance why means once it's tried and it is not sustained here, we have to wait for this. City Union Bank, yes, there is a cup pattern for a 2 year, 3 year, but yes, we can track this one. Ashok Leyland is above 16 both monthly and weekly, but there is a not a good candle at the weekly time frame. We have to wait. Bajaj Finance, yes, again as I said that it's need to be wait. HDFC Life is a good one, all-time high. It is breaking out from the 2 to 3 year cup pattern. Okay, we can track this one immediately. MFCL, it's a momentum, it is coming to them. That's why whenever it is crossing any resistance, there will be a huge momentum. There is a wrong concept in the market that it's an all-time high, there could be a come down. Can wait and can buy. No, it's not like that. Whenever there is a perfect breakout just like this, we have to take opportunity. You can see this within 2 weeks from 1200 to 1500. Okay, so next is DWM setup, Divis Lab. Okay, so now we are at the advanced DWM stage. Okay, 60 60 60. If in case it is coming back to 9 EMA or giving one more dip to be here, that's best. One more support here, that's the best. Wait for this the opportunity, and if it made any green candle over this area, I definitely this will be a best DWM, advanced DWM actually. Bharti Airtel, just it's a DWM setup actually. It's not yet coming to 40, but that's a good opportunity. It is at the CIP in weekly and monthly also, so we have to be track this very carefully. Solar industries, this is one of the best trade which we are trading currently. We have suggested in our community at 13,200 2 week back, and it is currently trading at 15,300. That means 2,000 plus points we are running currently. Okay, so see, whenever there is a big breakout, we have to be there to hold that even though fluctuations of the up and downs are there. But entry is very important, because when you enter at the right price, then you don't need to be bothered. And whenever you have the opportunity like advanced DWM, you should be take that one. It should be. Last time, 3 days back, it came to middle band and 9 EMA, and it bounced back. Okay, it gave almost 13,600 to 15,300. Okay, there was a PRD and we suggested based on that. Okay, just like this, and this is the PRD which we have been identified, and we started trading in that. Okay, so the technicals will work. Okay, so it's depend on you how strongly you believe and follow that one. HAL, okay, HAL we have to wait because it is forming a M pattern. If it is confirmed tomorrow, we have the short selling opportunity here, but you can see RSI is all above 60, but we have to wait for the opportunity, correct opportunity actually. And DTS, downtrend secret strategies, some of the stocks which are working. Look at this is the opportunity in hourly. Okay, when it made a divergences or any of the still opportunity, polycap is the one which is give a very good opportunity. 60 rejection in daily, and in the same time we got a lot of opportunities. Okay, Hindalco rejecting from 60, very good in day, very good, and rejecting. Look at this. See, these are the small swing trades. Whenever it is reject from the middle band and 9 EMA, these are the small trades. This is the big best trades which we have been observed, traded. You can see here one candle SL, second leg, boom, and even we have traded here also made some 10-15,000. I mean BTST kind of a trade, because we have some of the people were traded here, but few people were missed, and we suggested to sell here, and we book some more. Few people were holding till now for this trend also, but we need a, cause there is a CIP also here. You can observe here there is a best CIP. Okay, so wait for that. Grasim was the kind of a breakout here, but it's failed. Okay, and if it is crossed this one, we could have made us good money in the, but let's see that one. This is the support area. If it is breakout, we can make a good money over sell side also. Momentum trading stocks, these are the very good stocks where we are tracking personally in our community. One is HDFC Life, all-time high, all 60 above. Okay, we can't trade this now, but we can wait for the pullback to the 9 EMA in any of the cases, because it has been crossed the resistance. Okay, and Kotak Mahindra at support actually. Literally this is the DWM setup. Tomorrow, see, track this with carefully. If it is cross this one, take a SL here and you can trade this one. Okay, so this is it's a few of the points you can observe here. Pause and watch this one. HDFC asset, it's a had resistance, just wait for the breakout proper. It's a Union Bank is in a momentum above 16 all the times, and it's a purely you can see clear value buying and W pattern kind of a breakout, but it's a very potential momentum stock, you can see. Later on, Adani Port, yes, it's a very good opportunity for advanced TWM. There is a less risk actually for the people who can take. Okay, it's an advanced TWM kind of a setup. BL, yes, it's a momentum stock after breakout. You can see this how it is. That's why I always emphasize to follow the cup pattern breakout trades. There are situations where it might be fail, but if it give you a momentum, then we have to be prepared for the catch that momentum. I request you to be follow these all the stocks and trade your stocks. Actually, this is all about educational purpose. How I used to be find, what are the setup I used to be follow for every week. But my point is that try to follow your stocks, make it strong stock basket. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me to be find these kind of stocks. Okay, just join my WhatsApp group. You can find out link in the description. Okay, so you can be find out day to day which stocks we are trading, what is the reason, and other things also. Okay guys, please subscribe if you are first time watching this video, and thank you so much. And you can reach out for any of the training or any of the things which you want to be discussed with me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy trading.